Hello dear fans. What is the Verdun Meat Grinder? Verdun is a small town in France that became famous after the bloody battle of the First World War. The Verdun fortress and the surrounding area became a mass grave for hundreds of thousands of German and French soldiers. This gave historians a reason to call those events the Verdun Meat Grinder. Verdun, facts from history. The Verdun fortress was founded in the 18th century. In this way, the French tried to create a fortified center to protect Paris from a possible attack from the east. Verdun was attacked more than once during the hostilities between France and Prussia, but each time after the siege, the fortification still surrendered to the enemy. Only during the First World War, Verdun was able to fulfill its main mission, not allowing German troops to reach the French capital. At the end of 1915, the command of the German army developed a detailed plan for the defeat of the enemy armies on the Western Front. The task of the Germans was to break through the powerful Verdun Arc, which was a strong stronghold of the front from France. The German command hoped, after overcoming this line, to reach Paris and force the French government to capitulate. Verdun Meat Grinder. An active military operation began in the vicinity of Verdun at the end of February 1916. On the 21st, the Germans unleashed one of the bloodiest battles in history. Almost 1,000 guns opened fire on the positions of the French troops. German shells crushed the enemy, leveling all the fortifications to the ground. The shelling was followed by an infantry attack. Only 2 divisions of the French opposed the numerous stream of troops. Subsequently, military historians estimated that on the German side, a total of about 1 million soldiers and officers participated in that first operation near Verdun. In the operation, flamethrowers and poisonous gases were actively used. The forces of the defenders were half the size. But only on the 5th day the German units took the fortified Fort Douaumont. However, the Germans' attempt to seize the fortified area on the move failed. The French army was able to quickly concentrate a significant grouping near Verdun and create some superiority in the number of troops. Every day, hundreds of French trucks with soldiers and ammunition were sent to the site of the Verdun Meat Grinder. Verdun stubbornly continued to hold on. But the losses were appalling. By the end of March, France had lost more than 80,000 people in the area of hostilities. In mid-June 1916, the German command made a final attempt to break the resistance of Verdun and his defenders. After the most powerful artillery preparation, selected German units numbering up to 30,000 people were thrown into battle. This fighting vanguard acted desperately and ruthlessly, but the offensive failed. Thousands of German soldiers found their death on the very approaches to Verdun. However, the events near Verdun did not end there. The operation continued for several more months, until mid-December 1916. Neither side could boast of a complete victory, despite the huge number of victims of the bloody meat grinder. Over the entire period of the military operation, a total of at least 1 million people died on both sides. Thanks for watching.